Hello students, welcome back to live classes. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter 5, cubes and cube roots. And the very fresh topic is perfect cubes. Let us see what are perfect cube. A number which can be expressed as a triple product of a number is called a cube number or a perfect cube. Let us see with the help of an example. Find whether 8 and 27 are perfect cube or not. Cube root of 8 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 by taking out the prime factors of 8, and after that if it forms a product of triples, then it is a perfect cube. Over here it is forming a product of triple, so we can say that 8 is a perfect cube of 2. Next is 27. The same thing we are going to do over here also. We are going to find out the prime factors of 27. After finding out the prime factors of 27, if it is forming a perfect cube, then we can say that 27 is a perfect cube of 3. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us come to the next topic, that is properties of cubes. The very first property is cubes of even natural numbers are even. If we take even natural numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, and if we are going to find the cube of all the four numbers, it will be even natural numbers. Like 2 to the power 3 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 4 to the power 3 can be expressed as 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. 6 to the power 3 can be expressed as 6 into 6 into 6, that is 216, which is an even number. 8 to the power 3 can be expressed as 8 into 8 into 8, that is 512, so it is also a even number. Let us move to another property, that is cubes of odd natural numbers are odd. Like example, if we are taking four odd numbers and if we are finding out the cube of each number, the product after the product that we are going to obtain will also be an odd number. Like 1 to the power 3 means 1, 3 to the power 3 means 27, 5 to the power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125. It is an odd number. 7 to the power 3 means 7 into 7 into 7 is equal to 343. Let us move to next property, that is the cube of a negative number is negative. Let us assume if minus x is a negative integer, then minus x to the whole power 3 is equal to, what we are going to do, we are going to multiply minus x 3 times. Minus x into minus x into minus x is equal to minus x to the power 3. Let us take an example. If I have to find out the cube root of minus 5, so I am going to write minus 5 to the whole power 3. So it can be expressed as minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. So the product that I am going to get is negative. Let us move to another property. The cube of a rational number a upon b can be expressed as a upon b to the whole power 3, or it can also be expressed as a to the power 3 upon b to the power 3. Let us see with the help of an example. If I have to find out the cube root of 4 upon 3, so it can be expressed as 4 upon 3 to the whole power 3, or 4 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 3. So 4 is multiplied 3 times makes 64, and 3 when multiplied 3 times gives 27. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Let us move to next topic, that is cube roots. How to find out a cube root of a number. Let us first see the definition of a cube root. Cube root of a number is a unique value that gives original number when cubed. Suppose if I have to find out the cube root of 125, so I have to find that number whose cube makes 125. So the cube root of 125 is, again we are going to do the same procedure, that we are going to find out the prime factors of 125. So the prime factors of 125 can be expressed as 5 into 5 into 5. After finding out the prime factors, we have to form the product of triples. So 5 is a cube root of 125. The next topic is cube root of a perfect cube by prime factorization. Let us see with the help of an example. Find the cube root of 1728. For this, first we have to find out the prime factors of 1728. Over here I have taken out the prime factors of 1728. So after finding out the prime factors of 1728, I am going to put it under cube root, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. After that I am going to find the product of triples of each product. Over here 2 into 2 into 2 in one pair, 2 into 2 into 2 in one pair, and 3 into 3 into 3 in one pair. So I am going to take out 2, 2 and 3. So take one prime factors. What I am doing, take one prime factors from each group and find the product. So it will be 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. So therefore 12 is the cube root of 128. I hope these two topics are clear to everyone. Let us move to another topic, that is cube root of a perfect cube expressed in exponential form. There are two rules that we have to keep it in mind. The first rule says that if the indices of the factors are multiples of 3, then the number is a perfect cube. Second rule, even if one factor has an index which is not a multiple of 3, then it is not a perfect cube. Let us see with the help of an example. Find whether 6912 is a perfect cube or not. If we are going to find out the prime factors of 6912, it will be 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 3. So it is not a perfect cube. Why? Because over here the indices 8 is not a multiple of 3. So that is why it is not a perfect cube. Let us see another example to find whether 1728 is a perfect cube or not. So after finding out the prime factors of 1728, you can see that the prime factors of 2 to the power 2, the prime factor of 1728 is 2 to the power 6 and 3 to the power 3. So over here both the indices like 6 and 3 are the multiples of 3. So we can say that 172, the perfect cube of 1728 is 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1. So it is a perfect cube. Let us move to another topic, that is how to find cube root of a negative number. We know that the cube root of negative number is always negative. So how we are going to find out the cube root of a negative number? So if we have to find out a cube root of 125, so I am going to take out the absolute value of 125, means I am going to put this negative sign outside as common, and then I am going to find out the cube root of 125 by taking out the prime factors. So whatever prime factors I am going to get, I am going to find the product of triple of each factors, like over here 5 into 5 into 5. So I'm going to take out 5 including this negative sign. Let us see another example, that is find cube root of minus 64. The same thing we are going to apply over here also, that we are going to keep the minus sign outside, and after that I am going to find out the prime factors of 64. That is 4 into 4 into 4. So the answer is minus 4. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us move to another topic, that is cube root of a product of integers. Let us see with the help of an example. If I have to find out the cube root of 64 into 125, the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to separate both the terms. we are going to separate both the terms in this manner. So it can be written as cube root of 64 into cube root of 125. After separating the terms, we are going to find out the prime factors of 64 separately and 125 separately. After finding out the prime factors, what we are going to do, we are going to find the product of triple of each term. Over here the product of triple is 4, and over here the product of triple of the term is 5. Then we are going to find the product, means 4 into 5 is equal to 20. That is the general rule that we have to keep it in mind is, in general, if a and b are integers, then cube root of a into b can be expressed as cube root of a into cube root of b. Let us see another topic, that is cube root of a rational number. As we know, a fraction can be written a upon b to the a upon b to the whole power 3 can be written as a to the power 3 upon b to the power 3. Again we are separating the terms. So from this it follows that cube root of a upon b can be expressed as cube root of a upon cube root of b. So in this manner we are going to find out a cube root of a rational number. Let us see with the help of an example. Find the cube root of 7 to 9. So cube root of under root 7 to 9 upon 125 is can be expressed as cube root of 1 and cube root of 7 to 9 and cube root of 125. After that we are going to find out the prime factors of each term, and we are going to form the product of triples. Over here the product of triple of the first term is 3 into 3 and the second term is 5. So the answer is 9 upon 5. I hope all the topics that I have explained you is pretty much clear to everyone. Now this chapter is over. Along with this chapter, I am going to send my lesson plan, and your duty is to complete your work in your classwork copy. Till then, be safe and goodbye.